Good morning, and welcome to the screencast for Google Apps for St. Raphael the Archangel Parish. This screencast will help you to log into your account and retrieve your email. The first thing to do once your computer is on is to open up a web browser, either Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. For today, I'll be using Google Chrome. If you have a Mac, you can also use Safari. Once your web browser is open, simply type in the address line, the address www.google.com/a/StRaphaelArchangel.org. When you've done so, press return, and then you'll see what appears on the screen, a place for username and password. Today we're going to use Miss Gintz and type in a password, and then press sign in. One of the things you have to remember is that your username that you type is not case sensitive. It can be lowercase, but your password is. So if you have a hard time logging in after you set your password, you can then make sure that your caps lock is not set. Once you're all logged in, you'll see this screen which appears, which is called your hub for Google Apps. To open your email, press email, and then you will see your inbox appear on the screen. The first thing you want to do the first time when you set up your Google Apps is to, of course, change your password. You can do so by going to Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Accounts. After you click on Accounts, select Change Account Settings. You will then see Personal Settings, and then you can click on here actually to change your password. You'd have to type in your current password and your new password. Once you do so, click Change Password. We're not going to do that right now, but we'll let you all do that. Once you change your password, it'll come back on your screen. So we're going to go back now. Hit the back key, and we'll go back to your inbox. All right. Here we are back at your inbox. You'll notice on the inbox, over to the left here, you have the composed mail, inbox, starred, sent mail, drafts, a list of various things here. It's kind of your menu bar for the use of your Google Mail. To open up an email, for the most basic function that you'll be doing, just simply go to your email, click on it, and the email will open. To reply to the email, you can click Reply Here, or Forward, or over here on the side you can click the little arrow. You can hit Reply to All or Forward, filter messages. You have a couple little options. You could even delete this message. We won't worry about the other things right now, but the easiest way to respond to a message is simply to hit Reply. A box will open, and then you can type your response to the message. The subject line, as you see in this message, does not appear. You can edit the subject by hitting Edit Subject Line. You can change the subject if you want to test. You can also, if you wanted to, attach a file to the email. And when you attach the file, a box like this will appear. It goes by default to your My Documents section. And all you need to do is simply come over, choose the file you want. Let's go to a picture. So we'll go to My Pictures, and we'll come down to the folder that I have here for St. Raphael School. And then you can simply click on the picture you want, hit Open, and then Google Apps will then begin to attach the file. Once the file is attached, you can hit Send. Really, while the file is in process of attaching itself, there's not much else you can do except pause and wait. This is a rather large picture file, so we're just going to hit Cancel on that. You can cancel anytime, and you can add not just one file to an email, but you can add multiple files as well. When you're finished, simply press Send, and your message is sent. To check your sent messages, you can simply click Sent Mail, and you can see the messages that you have sent so far. And back to our inbox for a moment. The other thing you can also do, instead of replying to an email, you can also compose an email by hitting Compose Email. typing in the email address. Subject, test. Here we go for a test run. Very good. And then, again, you can go back, you can edit whatever you want by simply moving your cursor. You can attach a file. You can add more email addresses by typing the email, pressing comma, and then typing even more. One of the things that Google Apps will also do is if you have items that, as you build contacts, it'll also help you by simply showing you a contact below, and then you can simply add the contact. Now, once you're ready and you typed your email, you've added a file if you wanted to, you can simply hit send to send the email. You can hit save now. Now we're going to hit save now because if we hit save now, I'll show you what happens. If I hit save now, I'm like, good, now I can go back and I can check my inbox. Oh, it's not there. Or I can go work on something else, but I can always go back to drafts, and that email that you just typed, that you saved, is located in drafts. And then you can add some more if you want, or simply click send. And again, the email is sent. This is the basic introduction for Google Apps, getting you signed into your account. Please review this over and over again to help you with the basic process of logging into your Google Mail.